Hi all, my name is Thirumalai. This is my new channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a simple ALV report. There are different types of ALV report, but today we are only going to see the simple ALV report. Without further ado, let's get started. We have to go to SE38, it's above editor. Then you have to create a own program. Uh, we can call it ISABC 01. I already created one, so I'll put 02 ALV report. Then click on the create button. Mm, Report program, ALV report program. Give any name, type executable, blah blah blah. Local object. This is going to be a simple ALV report. So we are going to print the whole Mara table. So first we need a internal table. Let's call it LT Mara type table of Mara. Yeah, that's it. Now we are going to put the uh, fields, put the data from the Mara to the internal table. Select all from Mara into table LT Mara. Yeah, that's all. Now we are going to call the ALV function model. For that, we have to go to pattern. You have to remember this, reuse ALV grid display. Okay, then you have to click, then the function model will come. You have to uncomment some of the lines, like you have to uncomment the exporting, and you have to uncomment the structure name. Yeah, that's all. Now in the structure name we have to give Mara, because we are using the Mara table. Okay, so in the inside the single quotation give Mara. Then we have to give the internal table name as well. Here you don't need to give the single quotation. In the T out tab you have to give LT Mara. Yeah, that's all. It- Now we'll check the syntax. Click on the activate. Now run. Yeah, that's all. We This is the ALV report of the Mara table. So why we are using why we are using ALV report? Uh, in classical report, we don't have so many features. Like in this ALV report, we can easily sort this in ascending order or descending order. You can sort it, and you can move the fields, the columns as well. You see, now else I will move this change to yeah. Now I can move it. So this is the reason ALV reports are preferable. Why people are preferring it. Okay, that's all. In the next video, we'll see more about the ALV reports. Peace.